Hello, my name is Stephanie Peterson, and I chose to complete my studies using Switzerland versus United States. The Heritage Foundation defines economic freedom as the fundamental right of every human to control his or her own labor and property. In an economically free society, individuals are free to work, produce, consume, and invest in any way they please. In economically free societies, governments allow labor, capital, and goods to move freely, and refrain from coercion or constraint of liberty beyond the extent necessary to protect and maintain liberty itself. Using the Heritage Foundation website, I was able to compare the overall economic freedom score of Switzerland and United States. Historically, Switzerland and the U.S. have ranged from mostly free to free. In the past 7 years, the U.S. has remained mostly free, while Switzerland has remained free regarding economic freedom. Switzerland's business freedom score is lower than the U.S. The U.S. has a higher score due to the boost of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017. While the U.S. overall score is high, it is regulated by states. Labor laws are not restricted in Switzerland, and workforce is highly skilled, while the U.S. labor freedom is high, but it does vary from locality to locality. When it comes to open markets, Switzerland has 32 preferential trade agreements, and the United States has 14. Switzerland's trade weighted average tariff is 1.7%, and the U.S. is 2.4%, with Switzerland having 157 non-tariff measures in effect and the U.S. having 2,300 non-tariff measures in effect. In regulatory efficiencies, the U.S. seems to overall have more freedom than Switzerland. However, when it comes to open markets, Switzerland has more freedom than the United States. All this presentation's information was gathered from the Heritage Foundation in the link provided.